Hi guys, I'm Dr. Shatabdi Das and I welcome you all back to my channel Khushi, Journey Through the Mind's Canvas. I've started this initiative to spread awareness regarding various mental health issues that are prevalent in our society. There are a lot of issues, especially mental health issues, which are present in our society, but because of lack of knowledge, we either kind of hide these from the society, or we are scared to go to the doctors, or we kind of judge people with these disorders. So my main motive is, let's build up a society where people are not judged on the basis of your mental health disorders, and we can freely speak of our mental health. So basically today I'm going to speak about OCD. Now what is OCD? OCD is nothing but obsessive compulsive disorder. Now in OCD, a patient gets repetitive recurrent thoughts regarding a particular thing, right, which in medical term we call ego dystoning. Basically these patients are unable to accept a particular situation, and they get recurrent repetitive thoughts which are anxiety provoking for them. For example, if I have an OCD for cleanliness or OCD for dirt, then a small amount of dirt is going to make me very anxious, and even after washing my hands 100 times, I will not be happy and satisfied with the cleanliness. So basically these are anxiety provoking. Now compulsive is those acts that we perform or the patient performs so as to relieve this anxiety that is coming from the obsessive thoughts. So basically, if a person has OCD for dirt, it is a small amount of dirt which shouldn't be even bothering him, is basically giving him a lot of anxiety provoking thoughts. And obsession is that he's continuously washing hands multiple times so as to get rid of that dirt, which maybe in real life isn't there at all, or maybe even if it is there, it is so little that it shouldn't be bothering any person. Right. Now this is one type of OCD. So different people can have different types of OCDs. Some people can have OCD for symmetry, that is they have a tendency to like arrange all the books or a pen or a pencil, everything in a particular sequence, and they get very anxious or they get very obsessive when they don't find things in order or in a particular order. Now what I want to spread awareness of it, this is treatable, and there are both psychotherapy and pharmacotherapy available. Now what we do is, like, the treatment of choice that we see in our medical terms is exposure and response prevention. That is, I'm going to expose the OCD person thing which he or she has OCD for, okay, and I'm going to prevent any kind of action that he tries to perform in response to that situation. For example, if a person has OCD for dirt, then I'm going to expose that person to a very unclean or a very dirty environment, but I'm going to prevent him from washing his hands multiple times. Right. So slowly and gradually the person gets acclimatized to the situation or to the item or whatever, and because I'm preventing any kind of response from his side, so basically I'm habituating him or her to that particular environment or the particular situation, and over a period of time that person kind of overcomes his or her OCD. Now we also have certain pharmacotherapy, like we have got SSRI, certain drugs like SSRIs. Now since this video is for the general public, I'm not going into the details of the drugs and the mechanism of action. What I want to say is, let's not judge any person who has this disorder or who has this particular OCD, and if we can identify if that we might be having any kind of OCD, and we can identify some other person having a particular OCD, let's not judge them and let's not hide it from the society. Let's help each other, and let's overcome all our mental health issues. Like, why only OCD? Let's overcome all our issues together as a society. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share this video, and yes, definitely subscribe my channel, because I'll be back with other topics of discussion. Next day let's discuss about depression, which is such an important topic and such an important issue that should be addressed in the society. Thank you guys.